Once he mentioned the word cancer, I don't recall anything after that. And after the urologist informed me that I had prostate cancer, I then went to see the radiologist and ultimately underwent radiation treatment for the cancer.
Initially, the PSA, which is a good monitor of therapy after radiation, started to come down and things looked good. But after a few months, it looked like the PSA started to go back up, and there was worry that maybe the cancer hadn't been cured by the radiation. And that really was the fact here, is that he had a recurrence of his cancer.
It's not too much of a stretch to call it a roller coaster ride type of effect. It was more devastating from a mental perspective than from a physical perspective. It was mentally and emotionally, it was hell.
Mr. O'Hara, he came to see us, and at the time we went through the possible benefits and risks of treatment, and he elected to have what's called a salvage prostatectomy.
He was recommending to me we remove this cancer and you live another 20 or 25 years. At that point, I looked at my wife in a state of disbelief, because I was looking at maybe 1 to 3 years, Do you remember that meeting?
Oh, yes.
We underwent the surgery, and the outcomes exceeded my wildest expectations. I basically have no disabilities.
I remember when he was first diagnosed the second time, he said, well, the worst that can happen is I go through with Dr. Patel and I get an extra year. He said, if I just get 1 more year, and it looks like we'll have many years.
Yeah, thanks to Dr. Patel.